All of us have our own love stories. Some are short, others long. Some are yet unwritten, while others are just getting to the good part. And now, here, the two of you stand, hand in hand, your destinies intertwined, bringing you here together today and for the rest of your lives. Family and friends, we're gathered together to celebrate the very special love between Gabrielle and Vince by joining them in marriage, where they will share their lives together, facing life and the world hand in hand. Marriage is going to enrich you as individuals, define you as a couple, and deepen your love for one another.
I, Vince, take you, Gabrielle,
Gabrielle, take you, Vince,
to be my wife,
to be my husband.
my partner in life, and my one true love.
I will laugh with you and cry with you
I will love you faithfully,
through the best and the worst,
through the difficult and the easy.
as I have given you my hand to hold.
So I give you my life to keep.
You have expressed your love to one another through the commitment and promises you have just made. It is with these in mind that I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Walking high on a dream, floating off on a dream, never felt so alive. I feel electrified. I feel electric. I feel electrified. I'm walking on the sky. I feel electrified.
And remember this moment in time. Today you commit to one another and to God to love every day with patience, honesty, compassion, courage, and forgiveness.
I feel electrified. I feel electric. I feel electrified. What I feel it. I'm walking on the sky. What I feel it. I feel electrified.
Family and friends, it is my pleasure and an honor to present to you for the very first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Vincent Douglas Diaz Jr. Congratulations.